So in the first question, the correct increasing order of second ionization energy of the element XYZ with respect to the atomic numbers 19, 20 and 38. First of all, the atomic numbers 19, 20, 38 are corresponds to the potassium, calcium and strontium. So here, as we know, in the groups from the top to the bottom, the size will be increased. So automatically the ionization energy will be decreased. That means that it is taking a less energy to remove electron from the outermost electron. And in the periods, it is just opposite. From left to right to left, the size will be decreased and automatically ionization energy will be increased. So according to that, compared to potassium, calcium will be having higher energy, higher ionization energy, and compared to the calcium, strontium should have less ionization energy. But in the case of strontium, it is reversed, that it is having a little more ionization energy. So the correct order is XYZ. Here we can see the correct answer is XYZ, that means option. And the next question, nicotine molecule is composed of. So the nicotine molecule is actually optically active molecule, which is actually the example of alkaloid, and it is composed of a pyridine and as well as pyrrolidine. Here we can see the optically active carbon atom, and which is the responsible for the formation of the enantiomers. And here we can also observe this is the parasympathetic drug. So option B is correct. And the next question, the condensation of water vapor is accompanied by the. So as we know, here they are asking about the entropy. So entropy is a what? Entropy is a thermodynamic quantity. So we can measure the randomness by using entropy. So this is actually a state function. State function means the property of a system which depends upon the initial state and as well as a final state. So we know that in the solids the atoms arrangements are very regular. That means it is having a less entropy. And in the case of liquids, the atoms are little, it will move fast. Means it is not that much regular. So in the liquids, it is having a little more randomness than compared to the solids. In the case of gases, what will happen? In the case of gases, the atoms are very free. It will move fast compared to the other two systems. So automatically the gases will be having more randomness and it is having a higher entropy. So according to here, water vapor is almost to the gaseous state. It is converting to the water. That means gas is converting to the liquid. So the answer is it is converting to the liquid means the entropy is decreased. So automatically the option A is the correct answer. So next question is the characteristic feature of electroactive ion among the following normal voltammetry. So we know that half wave potential is the polarographic wave current, which is equal to the half of the distribution current. So that means this is actually the characteristic feature of the electroactive ion in the normal voltammetry, which is represented with the E off. So the answer is half wave potential.